Okay, so guys, I saw this video on how to trap mosquitoes in the house and I tried it. I tell you the truth, it worked. This thing is very simple to do. Just get a plastic bottle like that one with green cover you are seeing. Then I'm going to show you. It's a very simple way to make a trap for mosquito. The only ingredients we need is yeast and sugar. When you dissolve yeast and sugar, it's going to produce carbon dioxide, CO2. Though you know CO2 is what human beings use to breathe out. That is the only way mosquito can know that human beings are available in the room, is by when they perceive the smell of CO2. So now we are making it to look like human beings are in this room. They will rush to the bottle thinking that human beings are there, and then they will be trapped. So now just follow the video as I'm doing it. You cut the bottle into two, then you insert the upper part back into the bottom part of the bottle. Use a sellotape or a paper tape to hold the two sides together. Just follow it the way I'm doing. I did it and I tell you the truth, it works like magic. So I want you to try it as well. That is why I'm showing you this video, because you see this chemical insecticides that we even fleet the house with all the time. It's not too healthy, especially when you have little babies in the house. Even for adults, if you fleet, you have to allow it enough time to diffuse out of the house before you guys can stay, or you use a mosquito net. In Africa, this mosquito is a battle and everyone is devising ways of coping with it. So when I saw this video, I said, let me try it now. There's no harm in trying. I tried it and it worked. I say, wow, okay, let me come and show it to you guys so that you can try it as well. So simple. So that is my yeast. That yeast is just about 2.5 spoons of yeast. I pour it inside that container just the way you are seeing me do it. Do it like that. It's so simple. There is no magic about it. It's simple. Now this is my sugar, about 3 spoons of sugar. So I poured it also inside the container just like that. Pour it in like that. Then you are going to add your water and shake it together, and the trap is ready, I'm telling you. So you are going to add water and then just like 100 mils of water, and then you cover, you shake it very well, and then you drop it. You are going to drop it where a corner where it will be safe, it will not fall. And then as the gas is being emitted, the mosquitoes will follow the smell of the gas and get inside the container, and they are trapped, so that you can free your apartment from these tiny insects that have been disturbing. Okay, so that is how you are going to do it, and then you just leave it at the corner. The next day, keep it overnight, and the next day go back to it and see to have attracted all the mosquitoes in your room. And just let me know whether you will do this or not. Tell me in the comment section. Like this video.